What's up, guys? My name is WayForward. Welcome to my 8th Visual Basic tutorial. And in this tutorial I'll be talking about the do loop. I've already written an example of the do loop. So what we did in the previous tutorial was the for loop, and so this do loop, so it also performs the same function the for looper. Sorry, the for loop performs. It's just that the structure is quite different. Unlike the for loop where we have for the variable name blah 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 like that. So in the do loop we have do. So what the do loop does is it's you need to put the statement before the do structures. I believe you get it. So this is okay, this first line is to get the total of all the number in the loop, and this is to print out the number in the loop. Why this is the increment. A equals to a plus 1, that's the increment, and then this is where the program is going to end. So let's run this so I will explain it to you. So this is the output of the program. So I have do this blah blah blah, a is equals to a plus 1. I initialize a as 1, so it's going to start from 1 to where it's gonna be, so until a is greater than 10. So that is why I had to stop in 10. So if I say do this until a is greater than 11, then we're gonna have something like 1 to 11. You can see that. So that's how the do loop operates. Do the statement, then the increment, and then the ending point. I believe you get this. So let's say we want to find for an even number, which is going to be 2, and then it's going to start from 2. So let's run this and see. So this has actually printed out the even number from 2 to 10, which is 30. If you can remember the previous tutorial when I did 1 to 2 to 10, I also got 30. So that's how this operates. I had to write the program down because I want this tutorial to be short. So what again, let's say we want to do for an odd number, which is going to start from 1, also with the increment of this. So you can see we have 36. 11 is an even number, so you have to bring it down to 11. So depending on the statement you want to put, here can be a whole bunch of program. It doesn't really matter. It's all about adding numbers together or something. It can be a lot of program, which is gonna make so the do loop is just gonna perform the task 5 different times, and because it is 2 to 11. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So that's how to use the do loop. I believe you understand this. Is there anything I want to touch? Okay, I believe you all understand why this line is here, and this is where I have to print out the summation, which is this. I have to initialize this to nothing, just like emptying the O, so it's gonna be able to accept any of the integers. This is the increment. A is equals to a, depending on which increment you want to get. It can be 5, 7, whatever. So that's how to get the increment. Thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Peace out.
Blessings follow you, blessings follow me too. As I dey pray for you, make you pray for me too. You go build us, you go build for daddy, you go build for mommy. Everybody happy.